Good evening, Namaskar friends. Welcome to our YouTube channel VGR Blogs. Today I am going to show you a night view of Dashashwamedh to Lauravir through my bike ride, and today's video is dedicated to my friends who doesn't understand the Hindi language. And in my earlier videos I have promised that I will make a video in English language so that they can also understand the new era of Varanasi, how we Varanasi people are getting developed, and how the infrastructure is getting renewed in Varanasi. So friends, hope you will like it, and we are going to start today's video. So friends, in my today's video, I have decided to shoot a motor vlog, and we will see how Varanasi and Gadolia is getting developed, and this is the busiest place of the world, I think. And here I am showing the busiest market, and there are so many people who are coming here in Varanasi, Gadolia, Dashashwamedh Marg to buy certain things. Here you can buy clothes and other accessories. Friends, I would like to tell you that we the people of Varanasi don't get bored with the traffic jams, because now this has become our life, and it's a habit to ride in a traffic jam. So now we are not getting bored, we are just enjoying the traffic, and I don't think so that other any state or any country people are enjoying the traffic jams, but we the people of Varanasi are very different. So here I'm going to show you the busiest market. You can see there are so many people are coming, and the roads are totally blocked. And to ride a bike in a Varanasi, I want to tell you that you should be a snake because you continuously you need to move your body with a bike, so that only you can move forward. Now you can see the statue of Nandiji Maharaj, which is looking very beautiful in the night. And also I would tell you friends that this statue is built recently after 2017, and till date it is showing beautiful Varanasi, and this circle is called Heart Space of Varanasi, which is Gadolia Chauraha, and you can see the beautiful lights which are making Varanasi so much beautiful. Friends, I want to tell you that the change has come up about in the last 6 years under the Varanasi Smart City project, and Varanasi is one of the 100 cities being equipped with smart facilities under the Smart City mission launched by the BJP at the center in 2015. So Varanasi Smart City Limited was formed to carry forward the mission in the Kashi. It came up with 15 projects, including a project for the redevelopment of Old Kashi, which you can see in my previous video, where I have created a video of Old Varanasi Gully and the smart parking at Gadolia Center. You can see the roads which has built recently, and earlier this road was very narrow, but now it's very wide and clean, so people can move easily, and traffic also moves easily after building this concrete road. So now we have reached to Girjaghar Chauraha, friends, and moving to Lauravir side, you can see the traffic, how how difficult to move from this particular traffic. But we love this traffic jam though, friends. I already told you that Varanasi people don't get bored with such kind of traffic, and we just love the place and feel the emotions of the Varanasi. So this video is also dedicated to those who are from Varanasi or love to come to Varanasi, but they are lived in a other state or other country, who cannot come across recently, but they can see this place through my video and enjoy this scenic beauty of Varanasi, how it looked like, how it was previously looked, and how it was changed now. Friends, here I can tell you the other projects also which are ongoing with the smart city mission. Varanasi smart city, which built the parking facility, is the beautification, the park and landscaping is underway there. Friends, I would tell you that besides an undergoing parking facility with a capacity of 470 cars and 132 wheelers has come up at a Beniabark Park, which is not covered by me till yet, but soon I will shoot a video for that also, and will tell you everything about that project, which is very necessary for the people of Varanasi who are coming to see Varanasi Ghat and to do a Vishwanath Darshan. So this project is also very important for Varanasi people, and I would like to tell you that this project will have I have had a discussion with a Smart City Limited Public Relationship Officer, Mr. Shakambari Nandan, and he told us that this parking facility will have a football ground, amusement area, open gym, yoga garden and other facilities. So this entire project is worth about, I think, 19.42 crores something. And likewise the Khidkiya Ghat has also been redeveloped, for which I have already shoot a video. You can see the video in my video list. And it is being equipped with a tourist facility center and ticket booth, cafeteria, kids play zone, wall art and murals, selfie point, yoga and meditation space. This would be Divyang friendly also though, friends, and a CNG filling station has already come up at the Ghat. So the work is underway to, also friends, I would like to tell you that the work is underway to install surveillance camera at 720 location in the Varanasi. So 25 of them will be advanced facial recognition system, means AI recognition surveillance camera. Camera installation work has also started, friends, and it is likely to be completed by this year, and it is almost, I think, completed. So now friends, I would like to tell you that if someone is moving in a Varanasi through a bike or through a car or through any vehicle, so he should be very careful about the documents, because these new cameras which are installed in a Varanasi, as soon as any person breaches the speed limit or is found not wearing helmet or has a bike with 3 riders, the camera will capture the vehicle number and send an alert. Similarly, these cameras will record the footage of the crowded and important places. Once the camera are installed, the entire security system will be smart. So it is obvious that after installing the cameras, the city will get smart. But for now, you can see how busiest place is this, and how we are moving like a snake. And if you don't have the capability to move like a snake, you won't be able to move forward, and you will be stuck. So if someone want a training how to ride a bike in a Varanasi, you can meet with us. This is just a joking, friends. This is not the only possible view of Varanasi. There are several other roads which are very wide and long and clean, on which we can move forward very easily, friends. This is only the place where this kind of traffic is happening. So sometimes we love also, and sometimes we get stuck also. So if sometime I'm in a hurry, so that time it will be very difficult to move forward. But generally we the people of Varanasi just love this. So hope friends, in my today's video you guys get information related to Varanasi ongoing projects. And also I would like to tell you that I'm covering all those ongoing projects which are not covered till yet. So I would request to all of you that please be available with us so that our upcoming videos can be viewed from you. And if you have not subscribed my channel, I would request that please subscribe, share and like and comment, so that other people also will see how our Varanasi is getting developed, and how Varanasi is getting smart day by day. So friends, today's video I'm going to end up with these lines. Hope you would like it, and do subscribe my channel, share, like it, comment it. Thank you friends. ये बनारस बना हुआ रस है, ये बनारस बना हुआ रस है, इसको गटागट आकर पी ले, इसको गटागट आकर पी ले, ये बनारस बना हुआ रस है।